If you own a Maxima, you'll know why I put this wood here. You'll know why it's holding the hood. And you'll know why that wood is always inside the car. Alright, let's get it. Today, we're about to work on this 02 Max right here. But the front grill, easy. Someone asked me to do it, so I'm about to do it right now for them. So let's get it. Let's do it. All right. We're about to change this grill. It's like broken over here. It's right here. So I'm gonna swap it with another one. Nothing serious, same OEM. So I got 3 bolts. I got one somewhere over here. Right here, bam. That's one. Another one should be in the middle, right here. Right here, there you go. It's right here. One here. Another one right here. Remember the 10 mil, so we got to use 10 mil ratchet. One deep and one short for the middle one. Let's use the short one first. Do the middle first. Doesn't matter which one to do first. I'm just using the middle because I choose to. Got the middle out. Now let's do the side right here with the deep one. You could choose the deep one. You could just choose the short one. Don't matter. Sometimes these get rusty. It's hard to come out. This one might be hard to come out. Spray some WD-40 on there. If it don't come out. See if that works. Well, this side broke, so I'm gonna have to take that out with a vise and let's unscrew it. See if it come off. All right, let's do the other side. Other side. Try this one. Hopefully this side is good. Let's come out. Well, this is how it came out. It came out in pieces. Shit was fucked up. I know this shit. Fucked. Well, both sides got stuck, so I'm gonna have to take both of these out with a vise and the 10 mil. Both of them on there. See that? Alright. Middle one's good. Let's get it. Alright, just get your vise, put it on your bolt like that. You see how it is? Just like that. So you can go to the back and just unscrew it. Hopefully it comes out. Cross your fingers. Well, both came out for me. Got lucky. Those came out. 1, 2. Same thing. Use the vise and use the 10 mil to take it off, and it should be good. A little dirty. Gonna wash that up, wipe it down, make it clean. All right. These are the bolts right here. It's all rusty. Look at this rust. We're gonna clean both of these up. Clean it up with the brush. And put some anti-seize so it could just come off easily next time instead of getting stuck. Gotta do all that work. Instead of doing all that work, take it off, it will just come off. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's clean these up. Just like that. Put some anti-seize. Should be good for the next one. Now let's get the grill. The new grill right here. Well, OEM grill. Got from the junkyard. Alright. There you go. Way better than this one right here. This is all together. No pieces. these both a little rusty too, so we're gonna clean this up, put some anti-seize on these so it could come off easy next time and decide to take this off. Alright, and this is missing one, so we gotta put one of these on the over here. Alright, we're gonna take those, put one and put one right here so it stays on there tight. Alright, let's clean this grill up a little. It's a little dirty. You just throw some water, brush it up a little cleaner. Let's get it, man. Alright, all cleaned up, nice and clean. Clean the grill too. Saying some soap and water will do the trick. Alright, slap the shit on, man. Don't forget, put your anti-seize on there. Slap that on there real quick. Okay, just like that. Anti-seize. Each one of them. Alright, now slap this in on there. You match it up with the holes, 3 holes, 3 top holes, one in the middle right here, right there, and one here. Okay, sure it goes in just like that, flush. Make sure it clips on. There's holes on here. It's like 2 holes. You should line up too. It's like 2 on the bottom, 1 here and 1 over here. You should line up flush in there. It should like clip, like, all right, should be good, nice and flush, no gaps. All right, same thing if you get the mesh grill, same shit, just 3 bolts, swap it and put it on there like that, slap it on there. Should be easy as that. Now let's put the screws on, the 3 screws. Alright, just tighten your 3 bolts, just tighten those, and it should be done. Done deal. Good to go. Way fresher, better than the other one. Alright. Alright. That was it. That grill's easy. Except for the that bolt part. That was the hard part. We had to rip that out. It was rotted. Got to put some anti-seize on it, but other than that, it was easy. So, if you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like. And also, I'm gonna put some grills down here, some links down there if you want to get another grill instead of the OEM one. So, look out for that. Don't forget to subscribe because I got more coming.